Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. I'm often asked by people if tarot cards need like extreme focus or some spiritual gifts, and the simple answer is no. Any one of us can really use tarot as an effective technique, even those who may struggle with believing the intangibility of intuitive arts. Because the beauty of tarot is that it actually brings tangibility. It's a set of cards with beautiful pictures and imagery that helps us understand deeper rooted causes or gives us deeper insights into the situations that we are in. So, in fact, if you're struggling with something like intuitive communication because of the intangibility, tarot is a great tool to begin with to work on our intuition and our skills to intuitively understand what the animal is sharing with us through the medium of tarot cards. So you don't have to be specially gifted for it. All you need to do is understand the cards, understand the meanings, and then know how to interpret the cards when you're especially picking them out in multiple numbers. So if it's just one card, it's easier, but if you're picking up 2 3 cards or even more, then you need to understand how to connect each card with one another. This could be a little confusing at the beginning because there are so many cards and there are so many permutation combinations, and hence I recommend people to ensure that they start with minimal cards like 1 2 or the maximum 3. I would highly recommend to avoid pulling out spreads of 10 cards, 14 cards, because it just unnecessarily complicates things. Instead, what we can do is we can break down the questions into multiple questions, and for each questions pick up 1 2 3 cards so that we get details about everything. It's more in depth and it's easier for us to interpret the connections. Once we have gotten our expertise with minimal cards, then we can move on to the bigger spreads as well. But to be very honest, it's been what now, almost 15 years that I've been into tarot cards, but I still prefer choosing fewer cards for each spread and asking more questions with fewer cards instead of pulling one big spread with too many cards, because it just makes me feel more comfortable and it also gives me deeper insights. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Do share your comments about what you think of what we discussed with tarot cards, your experiences. If you agree, if you disagree, please do mention that so I can learn from your experiences too. And until the next video, bye bye.